Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for year 2021. There's a couple of different worksheets in this program. This is the main worksheet where you track your weight on a weekly basis and also track whether or not you completed your planned exercise routines. Down here, there's also the monthly planner where you're going to plan out your fitness schedule. And there's also full year planner where you can plan special events. So let's go back to the main worksheet. And this worksheet is laid out where you have each month stacked on top of one another so you can see the whole year on a single worksheet. And what you're going to do is you're going to set a weight goal that you want to obtain. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that there. I'm going to copy that down throughout the whole year. And then you're going to enter your actual weight on a weekly basis, and you're going to be able to compare that to your planned weight goal. In this calendar section, we're going to mark whether or not we completed our exercises. So you're going to go to the monthly calendars and you're going to fill out your workout routine. This particular one I filled out already. It's like a 3-day-a-week schedule. And I filled out February. And here's an empty one. So it's really easy to enter the information. You just type it in directly in the cells, or you can just copy it from one sheet to another. So the first day of the year here, we plan to do bicycling on the 1st. So let's say that we completed that. So you go back to the main worksheet, you go to the 1st of January, and you can mark that with green. And you can use this legend right here. Green means you exercised on a day originally scheduled. Red means you didn't exercise on an original scheduled date. And the yellow shading means these different items right here. For example, you reschedule a workout day. So at the end of the week, you can enter your actual weight. So let's say that the actual weight at the end of the week here was 160 pounds. So you can see there that we are 20 pounds over the desired weight goal. Okay, so let's go down to the next week and let's go back to January. And let's say that on the 4th here, we plan to swim. And let's say that we completed that. So we'll mark that as green. And so you just go by and let's say we completed the next two here for that week. And then you're going to go ahead and enter your weight. So let's say that we completed the rest of these for the month and into the next month. And then we can enter the weights. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for each week. And over to the right here, you can see that that orange line there represents the weight goal, which was 140 pounds, and the green line represents your actual weight. So let's take a look at one that's completed for the entire year. What's nice about this is as you scroll down, you could see the days that you missed, these red items, and also the yellow as an example of a makeup day. And you can see the chart here for the entire year. And it looks like we reached our goal even before the year ended. And we maintained it pretty much for the rest of the year. So I can shrink this down. You can get a visual of the entire year. And this lets you see the entire year and how you accomplished your goals for that year, both in the chart form and also by the visual markings here. And for the most part, you can see there that there's only a few days that were missed. The last thing I wanted to show you is a different layout. You have a couple of different full year layouts. You have the one with the notes on the side, and you also have one with the notes on the bottom. And you could use this calendar for special events. And I have some examples here like a 3K walk, 5K run, a charity run. So you can mark those on your calendar that are special events, maybe that are outside your regular routine. And what's nice about this, you can also print these out. And you can get this on a single page. You can also get your monthly plan workout routine on a single page, and also the weight tracker worksheet on a single page like that. So that's an overview of George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for year 2021.